Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will cook Kazakhstan dish. I cook recipes from all over the world, so don't forget to follow. It will be simple and quickly lazy beshbarmak. The list of ingredients is also below the video. Surprise your family with a new dish. First you need boiled water and add 2 bouillon cubes of beef. Before throwing the lasagna leaves, cut them in half. Throw one at a time and mix immediately, so they do not stick together. Cook until tender and stir occasionally. Now open a canned beef. Add on a heated frying pan 300 grams canned beef. After boiling, fry for another 2 minutes and turn off. Lasagna leaves are cooked and we drain the water. Now lasagna call it sochny for beshbarmak. Put on plates and pour beef. Half small onion cut into half rings. Sprinkle our onion on the top. You can also garnish with green onion. And our lazy beshbarmak is ready. Bon appetit! It was a simple recipe for 2 persons. If you want to travel with me and see another interesting recipes from all over the world, follow to my channel. And please support by like. See you in 1 week.